Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of eco-friendly projects. Have you ever thought about turning your kitchen scraps into a treasure trove for your garden? Imagine transforming what you usually throw away into something incredibly beneficial for your plants. Well, today, I'm here to show you how to create your very own garden compost right at home. It's simple, it's eco-friendly, and trust me, your plants are going to love it. Let's dive right in. Not only will you be reducing waste, but you'll also be creating a nutrient-rich supplement for your garden soil. First, you'll need to find the perfect spot in your garden. This spot should be easily accessible but not too close to your living area to avoid any unwanted smells. Look for a little corner where you can dig a trench or a hole. Aim for about 8 to 12 inches deep. This depth is ideal for holding your kitchen waste and allowing it to decompose effectively. This is going to be the new home for all your kitchen waste. Think of it as a mini recycling center right in your backyard. Now, what exactly can you toss in there? The key is to use organic materials that will break down easily. Think fruit and vegetable peelings, cores, basically any non-meat kitchen scraps. Avoid dairy and meat products as they can attract pests and take longer to decompose. Before you throw them in, here's a pro tip. Give them a quick chop. Smaller pieces decompose faster and more efficiently. Grab a shovel or even a kitchen knife and chop those scraps up. This simple step can make a big difference in how quickly your compost is ready to use. This isn't just to make more room. It actually speeds up the decomposition process. The smaller the pieces, the easier it is for microorganisms to break them down. Once you've got your chopped scraps ready, go ahead and start burying them in the trench. Make sure to spread them out evenly. But don't just leave them exposed. Covering them is crucial for effective composting. Cover each layer of kitchen waste with soil or chopped leaves. This not only helps in breaking down the material faster, but also keeps any unwanted pests away. This helps in breaking down the material faster and also keeps any unwanted pests away. Plus, it helps to control any odors that might arise. As you continue this process over weeks and months, nature will do its magic. Patience is key here, but the results are well worth the wait. Microorganisms in the soil will break down the scraps, transforming them into rich, nutrient-packed compost. These tiny helpers are essential for turning waste into garden gold. This stuff is gold for your garden. It's like giving your plants a superfood boost. It enriches the soil, helps retain moisture, and even keeps diseases away. And the best part? Your plants will thrive like never before. You're making a positive impact on the environment by reducing waste and recycling nutrients right back into the earth. It's a win-win situation for you and the planet. So grab those scraps, get a little dirty, and start composting today. It's a rewarding process that benefits both your garden and the environment. Your garden and our planet will thank you. Imagine the lush, vibrant garden you'll have, all thanks to your homemade compost. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one where we'll tackle more fun and eco-friendly DIY projects. Stay green and keep creating. Happy composting, everyone! Remember, every little bit helps, and together we can make a big difference. End of video.